Stripe, that's not a good idea. Come on, Tux. Come on, Tux. Here's yours. Here's yours. Come on. Well, I picked up Tux. I stopped filming. The most easiest time of the day, his attitude is in the morning when he's waiting on his food. But, you know, Stripe coming right up to him is still not a great idea. I guess it did finally rain overnight. It was supposed to. Everything's wet out here. You, hello. Well, hopefully the rain won't get heavy on the way in this morning. Everybody's doing good. That's always great. Gonna kick into high gear and get us out of here in case we need extra time. Oh boy, oh joy. It's not coming down very hard. Not hard enough for an umbrella. For a short car hop anyway. Good morning, Ruby. Happy Friday. Well, we made it through town and it's just light rain. I looked at the radar and I guess a bunch of light rain is headed our way, so it could be doing that for hours, but it doesn't look stormy or heavy or anything, so we should not be impacted on the drive-in this morning, which is a relief to me. We're on time for 7:20, so let's keep it that way. Well, Johnny says he moves buildings at 10 and again at 10:50, so, and it's a little bit of a walk, so hopefully it won't be pouring down rain then. He does have a umbrella if he really needs it. At 7:27, I don't know where the time goes. Did I mention that it's 64 out there this morning? That it's incredibly warm out there today? Yep. So if Donna and it's just sprinkling, we'll probably still go for a walk because it's not cold. Well, I don't think I'm fired up about anything yet today. I haven't looked at my news feed. Oh, goodness. I did see one owner on Facebook say that they had gotten the recall update and they were so excited to go out and test the new function. Not. Pretty funny. Well, I'm going to have to pull up the hour-by-hour forecast and see if 3 or 4 o'clock would be better for our walk today, because this is getting to the point where it's probably heavier than we want to be out in it. Don says it's raining like this at the house, too, because I'm still 20 or 25 minutes away. So it's raining.
Yeah, it is.
And it's 90% chance until 10 a.m. when it goes down to 30.
Okay.
So at 9:45, let's recheck the radar and see if we think we can get it in before your conference call.
Yeah.
And otherwise, we'll shoot for 3, because that at least gives us some chance it'll be raining less this afternoon.
Right, that works.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, Don has his friends over here. I just thought for a second maybe I should move the little extra cushion over to this side of the bed, but they do get the sun on them on this side on days when there is sun. Hi, guys. Hi. I told Don when I found the pink one, we'd get rid of the brown one, and, well, Big Boy Midnight, he likes the brown one, so I haven't gotten rid of it. I'm on my way to get Johnny. I'm running late, and I could have had better mornings. A better morning. I got yesterday's video edited and sent to render. It'll be out later today. Later than I want it to be out, but it's the best I can do today. So we've been having power outages at the house, a lot of flickering and stuff, and you know, that sets off the Amazon devices and the Wi-Fi light bulbs, and it's a real mess, especially when it does a lot of flickering. And we think we actually may have a camera in the garage now that's failed, and it wouldn't surprise me if it had to do with one of these, you know, some of the power stuff we've been having going on lately. But at any point, Duke says there's 2,500 people without power and thinks we're one of them, but somehow we have power. So I don't know we've had quite a good bit of wind this morning, but I guess as I'm traveling down the road to Main Street, I'm not seeing any Duke Power stuff. So we'll see if it's up here at the end where it was, or where there's some stuff and has been before. But we went, you know, around the corner back there, and I didn't see any trucks. So I don't know where they're working. 2,500 people is a significant number of people for Fuquay, I might add. Yeah, other than being an annoyance and a lot of flickering and rebooting of devices, our UPS kept us on the internet, and so that didn't really cause anything more than some frustration. But all the frustration had to do with the refrigerator. I was back on with the warranty people trying to get apparently not a new refrigerator, but a check cut for a new refrigerator, and there was a discrepancy from my receipt showing what we paid and what they thought we should have paid or had paid. And anyway, I finally got on the line with the supervisor this time, and they're supposed to call me back so we can agree that the check they're cutting is the check that I feel we're owed. And I've got a spreadsheet 9 ways from Sunday with what they owe us, and you know, because there was a haul away fee and the food spoilage fee and stuff. And anyway, they haven't called me back, and that was at least 4 hours ago. So I'm due to call them back again, because I want to hear the amount, and then it's going out in the mail, let's say Monday to be fair. And then it's, you know, 7 to 10 business days to get the check. I don't, you know, some families would have to wait on that check, and that is just, it just boggles the mind sometimes to how we operate in our society. I just can't get anybody to think that it's urgent to not have a refrigerator, and I feel like it's pretty urgent, having lived out of a you know, cooler by the back door with some help from the garage stuff for 9 days now. Yeah, so then I went to purchase a new refrigerator, now that we know that we're not getting a new one delivered, and then that's on us, and we get no help with that. And they don't make exactly my refrigerator anymore. I really want the Flex Zone, even though I don't want Samsung. And well, it looks like they have totally redesigned the refrigerator, and they took away some of the convenience and probably fixed one of the major problems they were having with the ice maker, which wasn't the straw that broke the camel's back for us, but certainly was a problem for us as well. And anyway, apparently there's a shortage of appliances right now, and Home Depot and Best Buy, they weren't going to be able to deliver it at the earliest February the 18th. But Lowe's Home Improvement apparently has 3 at the Knightdale store about 45 minutes away, and they were going to be able to have it delivered on Sunday. But online, you can only buy the 3-year warranty and not the 5-year, even though Lowe's has a 5-year warranty. And no one could explain to me why you can't buy that online, but the person on the chat said she'd put in the order for me and give me a secure way to give my credit card information, and she would do it for me, except for, unbeknownst to us, Don's card company thought there was a fraud, and they were really late in sending the message, and they kept on canceling the transaction. And so I ended up going online and ordering the refrigerator. But I don't know, it's a whole mess now. Like, we have an order number and a confirmed delivery for Sunday, but we don't know if the credit card company actually screwed up and ruined our order in the Lowe's system or not. So Don was trying to sort that out. And it's just, you know, I literally was online with the Lowe's person, the chat, for over an hour just trying to order the refrigerator with the 5-year protection plan. And I ended up ordering the refrigerator myself, and then the agent adding the protection plan on. So I don't know. It's just basically a disaster. First with the Home Depot people, then with the Lowe's people, and then Chase contributing to it, which I appreciate. They're trying to look out for our funds. But, you know, Lowe's is a real North Carolina based retail store, and for us to buy something, a refrigerator at Lowe's, doesn't seem outlandish to me. You know, most people that steal credit cards, they don't run right out and buy a new refrigerator. They go get cigarettes or alcohol or lottery tickets. Well, maybe you can't do lottery tickets in our state with a credit card, but anyway, I don't know. So it's just been a mess, and I'm tired and I'm cranky, and I've probably talked about it longer than I should have talked about it, but there you have it. And last comment is, I believe the refrigerator will be delivered Sunday when the guys are in my driveway. And I know we're in for a lot of hassle potentially with removal of doors. It depends on if this delivery crew is as skilled as the last delivery crew that came to our house, because they managed to get it in and out without removing the doors, which can damage the doors. And you know, I just believe it when I see it. I want to remain optimistic, and my usual cup is more than half full person, but I'm struggling with that a little bit this afternoon. And it's raining, and I'm going to be late downtown, or certainly later than would be good, because it's Friday, and we all know it takes, what, 10 extra minutes to get downtown on Fridays. Well, the credit card stuff is sorted out. The transaction that was supposed to go through, the last one did, and hopefully all is good. My mood is improved.
Yeah.
This came in the mail. I ordered one from Amazon, and it was marked up, I know, but with COVID and life is busy, and I bought one. And if I can find some more, great, because I have a lot of the Model S, and I've given away, and if I can find some more, great, but I have one. So I've reduced some stress. But anyway, it's out there. It's out there.
Very cool.
And Don offered to go walk, but we were really going to be short on time to get back to take Johnny to Taekwondo, and I need to wrap Don's presents, and I need...
My present? Well, you get in there and wrap my
I
present.
want to make Don's birthday cake and do a good job on it and not be in a rush and frustrated, and I'm hungry and Don's hungry, and
Oh, yeah, well, make the nachos first.
I was like, you know, we're just not going to walk.
Yeah,
because... Yeah, so tomorrow, though, we are going to do Dawn's special run.
Yeah,
we know we're going to Buffalo Road Park track.
We've got it all picked out.
We've got it. Johnny's got Taekwondo, but we're going to work the special run and the walk probably right after the Taekwondo, testing his tip. This is an intermediate test.
Yeah.
So I got a plan, but I'm just like, instead of helping my stress today, walking was going to hurt it, I think. So I'm going to take Johnny to Taekwondo, sleep in the parking lot up there. I'm going to work on the cake. We got it all.
Yeah,
we got it all sorted out.
Trying to give her some time back, because she was only on the phone for like 2.5 hours today.
Yeah, it was.
And it wasn't stress-free.
It was 3.5, and then I called back the Home Depot production plan people on the way home, and had a less empathetic person than the person this morning who didn't. Yeah, they added on 2 business days. They said Tuesday now, because it took Samsung 2 days to tell them to confirm that it wasn't fixable. It was all in the system, and I think they could see it, and they're lying to me.
Yeah,
but, now I need to wait till Tuesday to give them their full 5 days turnaround time.
Yeah, checks in the mail.
His service, my expectations on his service level agreement, that he wasn't making them, and I know all of the service lingo, so he doesn't want to mess with me.
That's right.
I may have threatened to start calling back once an hour until they cut the check.
Yeah.
On the agreed amount.
Yeah.
Don's carrot cake is in the oven, and I've got the stuff for the cream cheese frosting ready to go. He took Johnny to Taekwondo and is napping up there in the parking lot. That was his way of coping with waiting for class. Although it's a double class tonight. It's the regular class and the instructor class. I'm starting to feel a little bit calmer, looking forward to the weekend festivities. Sorry I got myself so worked up earlier today, but it was just really trying at some points. And I'm chilling now. I'm working on chilling anyway. That wasn't doing me any good not chilling.